I'm Chuck Bush here in the NASCAR News Center with breaking news. In a memo sent to teams on Monday, NASCAR informed the teams that effective immediately, they will be required to secure all wheels, tires, and lug nuts in a safe and secure manner at all times during race events. In addition to the rulebook updates, NASCAR gave penalty examples, and they are as follows. Losing a wheel due to improper installation is a mandatory minimum 4-race suspension of the crew chief, tire changer, and tire carrier of the lost wheel. A missing lug nut identified in pre-race will be considered an unapproved adjustment, need to be corrected immediately, and the car will start at the tail end of the longest line. Tires intended for race use without all 5 lug nuts glued to the wheel will need to be corrected immediately and result in a written warning for the team. Missing lug nuts found in post-race inspections will result in a P3 penalty in all 3 national series. In the NASCAR Sprint Cup Series, the first offense will be a minimum $20,000 fine, 1 race suspension, and probation for the crew chief. In the NASCAR Xfinity Series, the first offense will be a minimum $10,000 fine, 1 race suspension, and probation for the crew chief. And in the NASCAR Camping World Truck Series, the first offense will be a minimum $5,000 fine, 1 race suspension, and probation for the crew chief. Multiple offenses will result in escalated penalties. For NASCAR.com, I'm Chuck Bush.